Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some code that you can roast. Okay, so basically what this is right here is it's a month caster for 2024, and to make this work I actually need a calendar, so let me get that pulled up. So I got a little calendar pulled up here, and just so you know, if you want this to work, because days are different, so maybe like Monday, January the 1st is not always going to be on a Monday. Maybe it might be on like a Friday some years, or like even a Saturday, I don't know, but the days basically change every year, so you need that specific year, because or else this thing won't work, because as you can see we use the different days in it a lot. So how I'm going to do these kinds of videos where I show you my code and then you roast it, I'm basically going to have it be where I show you the thing, I just run it, then I show you how it works, and then you guys roast it basically. So basically how this works is I have to tell it either, sometimes I can only tell it what is the week name of the first day of the month. So basically, like the first day of the month, if we were doing January, I would say Monday. If I was doing February, I would say Thursday, March, Friday. So basically just what is the weekday name, but sometimes I feel like that's kind of a confusing way to word it. Couldn't think of a better way to word it. You guys can maybe tell me if there is. But how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to do basically just going to put Monday. We'll just do January right here. So if I just put Monday, there we go. So then it says what is the weekday name of the last day of the month. So that's like the same thing but for the last day. So this is Wednesday. And then this one, it actually does need 3 questions. All the other ones besides January and July, as you can see, because they're the same layout, it needs another question. Basically, what is the 4th day of this month? Is this an American holiday? So obviously yes it is, July the 4th. So yeah, we'll just put no, because there's not one. Independence Day, and it knows it's January because it's not July. So basically how this works is I just went through and kind of like this, just had a calendar in the code here, and what I did is I just looked at the calendar and I got all the things that have the same first day and put them in an if statement. So I put if first day name equals Monday. This is entire thing right here is an if statement, this entire code. So all this runs only if I type in Monday basically. Then if the last day name equals Wednesday, or I also have it if you capitalize the W, I could make it where it also works if you have cap locks on, but I didn't want to spend all the time to actually code that, because that would take a lot longer to have that on all the ORs. And so if it equals Wednesday, obviously there's 2 months that have the last day Wednesday and a first day Monday, so it just says this, you little booger, and then basically now it has to ask this question, and obviously July has Independence Day, the 4th day. So it knows if you say yes to July, then that means it's not going to be January because there's nothing on that day. So, but if you put no, then you know that it's January is not going to be the same day. So basically that's how it works. It's the same thing, but this one, Tuesday, there's only 1 month that has Tuesday as the first day. So October, you guys can see, you can just kind of scan through here, see, oh, October is the only one with Tuesday. And you can look, then Wednesday, that's only May. So if I were to just do this and literally just type in Wednesday, it just does May. If I were to just type in Tuesday, it just does October. So it's basically, there's some that doesn't have to ask as many questions because they're not as similar, but that's basically how it works, guys. If you want to roast this code and have any ideas for making it better, this was the best I could do. But if you guys have ways that I could make this even better, I'm just gonna scroll through here so you guys can see all the code, take screenshots. And if you guys have ideas, you can maybe like comment this code like comment your code below. Might be the easiest way, or like a way that you could like just tell me right here, like on line 24, instead of having it blah 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 blah. Like just tell me which line or which if statement is on that line, and you could like copy and paste code or just tell me what to do. But whatever you want to do, if you have a better way to tell me, then just do it that way. But tell me if you like me using Visual Studio Code or if there's a better way to do it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe.